Hello guys, my name is Miley. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, today I will be going for my hair. It's already getting late. This is already, let me check what the time is. Sorry. This is already 5 and to 6 and I'm supposed to go and make my hair. I've been having these issues. I wanted to go yesterday. I went to the salon like 3 times with relaxer. My mind could not carry it because I can't imagine that I will lose my natural hair. Oh, I'll miss it. But anyway, I decided to go and do something else instead of relaxing my hair. Just come with me and see what I'll be doing. I'm supposed to wash it, but I don't think I'll wash it. Let me get to the salon first. Then I will know what to do. I'll know what to do. Catch you!